Hey there. Got a check to deposit without visiting a branch? Depositing checks via the Schwab mobile app is fast, secure, and available 24/7. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open the Schwab app and tap the Transact menu, often a dollar icon. Select Mobile Check Deposit. Endorse the check by signing the back and writing "For mobile deposit at Schwab only." Use your phone's camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check. Enter the amount, select the account for deposit, and submit. Funds are often available within 1 business day. My crucial pro tip? Hold on to the physical check for 2 weeks. After a successful mobile deposit, write "Deposited" date on the front of the check and store it securely. Only destroy it after 14 days and once you've confirmed the funds have permanently cleared in your account. That's how you turn paper into digital funds from the comfort of your home. Do you still receive many paper checks, or is it mostly digital payments now? Share your experience below. For more quick financial tasks you can do from your phone, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.